At the name of Jesus. At the name of Jesus, every knee bows, not only in heaven, not only in the earth, but in every place where his authority is known. At the name of Jesus, every knee confesses that he is Lord. Not by force, but by truth. Not by pressure, but by revelation. His name is not ordinary. It is not common. It is not like any other name. His name carries authority. His name carries power. His name carries salvation. At the name of Jesus, the broken are restored. At his name, the lost are found. At his name, the sinner is made new. There is no other name given by which we must be saved. No other name that carries life, no other name that stands above all. Jesus, the name above every name, exalted, lifted, glorified. As we respond, not only with words, but with our lives, we bow, we honor, we follow Jesus.